Hello everyone, today I'm going to tell you about how you can activate the macros and the Visual Basic on your Excel. Most of the time, the people who are using the Excel didn't activate the Visual Basic tool. So because in the next videos, I'm going to share some tips and tricks of the Visual Basic. So before the videos, I will first let you know how you can activate the Visual Basic on your Excel. So moving on the screen. Alright, here is my Excel screen. As you can see that I already have developer tab. Here it is, because I already enable it and I'm using it. But don't you worry, if you don't see it on your screen just yet, you make it visible in a few simple steps. Let me tell you about. First of all, you have to click on the file which is on the top left corner of your Excel screen. Scroll down to the bottom and you will find the options. You have to click on it. After clicking the options, you will find the option stating customized ribbon. Just click on the customized ribbon and you will see the two columns. We are looking on the right column and we are supposed to find out the developer option. Here it is. If it is unchecked, just check the box and click OK. After clicking the OK, your developer mode is enabled and boom, you are a developer now. You can use the VBA Excel for advanced data analysis and visualization.